Break ID number 4598. 2018 Immaculate Football, $1 break. Go. And there you go. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, there's a bounty. 1 of 1 base, Mike Evans. One of 1. That's $100. Whoever has Tampa Bay. Evan FR. Very nice. Next, dual jersey to 50, Chandler Jones and Bradley Chubb. We've already randomized all the teams, so this goes to whichever of these teams is on the bottom or closest to the bottom. Cardinals and Broncos. That's to Denver. Mike CO. Denver is 3 spots down from the Cardinals. Next one, same deal. Dual patch to 50. Nice. Cam Newton, Sony Michel. Patriots and Panthers. That is New England. Jeff BR. That's a nice card. Next one. Are you kidding me with this patch? 3 of 10 jumbo patch. Look at that thing. Xavier Howard. Look at that jumbo patch. 3 of 10. Miami. Jody K.A. Yikes. Yikes. And next one. Geez, it just keeps coming. 2 of 7. Patch auto. Sony Michel. Super short print on card. And look at that patch. Yes, you had the Panthers, but the Patriots were lower on the randomizer. That is New England. That is gorgeous. Also, Jeff BR. Next one, also not bad. 3-color jumbo patch auto, Devin Funches to 49. There's the Panthers. Tad, B-E. Oh, I see. That's a nice looking card. The last one is also two dual patch rookie auto James Washington /99. Pittsburgh. Sam, M.A. Man, what a box. So if you guys want to do another one of those, there's one up there for Wednesday. And there's only 15 spots because when you buy a spot, you get 2 teams. If you guys want to wipe that out, I will break it tonight. Very nice stuff.